Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make AI art. Let's get us started. You can create AI art using AI art generators such as Adobe Firefly, Jasper, Image2Go, and DALL-E. In this video, I'm gonna use Bing Image Creator for making AI art. So let's have a look now. Open your web browser and search for Bing AI Art Generator. Once you are in the website, click on Join and Create. Sign in with your account. This will take you to this page. To see how Image Creator works, you can click on Surprise Me and then click on Create, or you can simply write down your prompts here to generate the AI art you want to create. Once you are done writing, click on Create button. It will take some time to create your art. Click on the image to preview. So there you have it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.